Hi lovely people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making the most delicious banku with pepper and fried fish. If this is something you are interested in, kindly watch to the end and let us know what you think in the comments section. To make our banku, we'll be using some corn dough which I have here, and then cassava dough. We don't need much of the cassava dough. So I'll begin by first of all mashing the cassava dough in the pot I'll be using to prepare the banku. To that, I'll add the corn dough. I'll add the quantity that I want, and then I'll also add water and continue mashing until it reaches the consistency that we want. So we need a consistency which is neither too thick nor too light. So at this point I'll be adding more of the corn dough to it because what I have here is not enough. This is the consistency that we want, so this is okay. I'll go ahead and place it on fire, then we can begin preparing our banku. But before that, we need to add some salt to this. So I'll add the salt, then I'll stir this until it begins to thicken. The batter is beginning to thicken already, so I'll be using these to hold the pot so that as I step on them, it will make the pot stable for me to stir the banku without any difficulty as it gets thick. Our batter is getting thicker and thicker, so I need to stir in this manner to make sure that there are no lumps in the banku. If you have watched to this point and you haven't liked the video, kindly click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more valuable content. Thank you. As we can see, it is now thick. I'll be adding water to this because I want the banku to be soft. I don't want it to be very hard. So I'll add water to it and cover for some time. I'll also adjust the salt because I tasted and I realized that the salt was not enough. After adding the salt, I'll cover it and allow it to continue cooking for a while. So this has been cooking for a while. We can see how it's boiling. I'll continue stirring this until the banku is ready. Just in case you are wondering why the banku looks kind of yellow, it's because we use the yellow corn. But if you use the white corn to prepare your banku, you will not have this color. So I dipped my fingers inside to see if the banku was ready, and as we can see, it is ready. So it doesn't stick to the finger. This shows that it is ready. So dish our banku out, then we tie them and set them aside. Now I'll be making use of some pepper, fresh tomatoes and onions. Then I'll add salt and grind. This is what we'll be using to enjoy our banku. But you can also enjoy your banku with okra stew, palm nut soup, groundnut soup, whichever way you want. And I would like to know how you also enjoy your banku. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Our pepper is ready, so I'll go ahead and fry the fish. I'll first of all cut it into pieces, then I'll wash it very well, remove all the unwanted things in it, then I'll transfer into salt water, then we'll fry it. As the fish is soaking in the salt water, I'll go ahead and heat up some oil. So when the oil got hot, I first of all added some onions in it before transferring the fish into the oil to add some flavor to the fish. From time to time, I'll turn the fish and allow it to continue frying until it turns golden brown. Right now our fish is well fried, so I'll take it out of the oil, then we can serve this with our banku. And here we have our banku served with our pepper, some green sauce and then shito. I also added some onions and green pepper to it. Then our fried fish. This tasted so delicious. Please give this a try and trust me, you are going to enjoy it. In case you want to see the video on how we prepare the shito, I'll leave a link to it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe and leave a comment below in the comment section.